Hey guys, so today I'm doing a job for my friend Magnus. His shocks need to be modified. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this shoulder here down to about 14 millimeters to fit a new bearing. And then this thread here is going to be an M14 thread instead. So my plan is to use my threading attachment, which I got with my lathe, and I've never used it. I don't have a holder for it to use in the lathe, but maybe I'll make it. So this is bearing, and it has a 14.2 millimeter inside diameter. So I'm making the shock a couple of hundreds below that. So maybe somewhere around 14.15 millimeters. So as you can hear, I have my trusty little sidekick in the shop. He's fixing a car stereo with a sledgehammer, so you'll just have to excuse that sound. I'm not in a hurry, so I'm starting off with the slowest feed rate my lathe can manage. It's 0.045 millimeters per revolution. We need to go in another 85, so that's 42 per side. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, and 2. This bearing is fitting good, but there's a slight burr where the shoulder begins. So I'm just going to take that off with a file. Next step is to turn the OD for the thread, and this is going to be about 13.85 millimeters. If you're wondering, the car stereo is coming along nicely. So I did the other one off camera, and the next thing I needed to do for Magnus is to fix his brake rotors. Now, if you've seen my channel before, you've probably seen me do brake rotors, so I'm just going to throw in a couple of clips of it. So that's it. Looks pretty good. That's the first side we did, and as you can see there are some chatter out here. Nothing that's gonna affect the performance. So I'm pretty happy anyways with how it turned out. So it went a little better. This surface was actually very good. I did change the insert, so that probably had to do with this being much smoother than the other surfaces. But all in all, I'm happy with the result. So I'm just gonna take some measurements to see how true I got these faces. 10.06 millimeters. Ten 10.07, so 1,000 more, or 100 more. Zero 6. Zero 5. So it seems to be very good in parallelism. We're gonna check the other one. And this is the rotor I did first, and I had to take a bit more on each side to clean it up. So it's 9.76. 9.75. 74. 75. So these things are ready to be shipped off, and it's on to the next project. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the future. Bye.